everyone, my name is Fayegh Azour and today I want to show you real paradigm shift in HVAC technology. What you can see here is my patented evaporative cooler. Instead of using highly inefficient power-hungry rotary fans, this system uses a precise pendulum mechanism that you can drive it by anything like electromagnets or anything you want. Let's switch to 3D view. Notice that how internal swing panel acts like a piston. This created a massive positive displacement effect, multiplying the aerodynamic efficiency. But the real magic is numbers. Look, the numbers. Look, the live telemetry on the right for the exact inflow. How much my system decreased the power consuming. Much less than BLDC or HVAC rotary fans. It's fully scalable, completely silent. But the important thing that how much costs this technology for global industry, millions of dollars every single day. So from now, welcome to new age of positive displacement of air in the cooling systems or HVAC systems.